Hey everyone, today we're going to go over how we're going to set our phone up with Bluetooth in a new BMW with the iDrive 7 system. So first step is you're going to get your cell phone out and you're going to open your Bluetooth menu and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. And then in the car we're going to go here to communication and it's going to be looking for a device. So we're going to wait until we see our phone pop up down in the devices nearby menu. Okay, so there's my phone. So I'm going to click on my phone and it's going to say it's pairing. This message will pop up on your phone confirming that this number matches the number displayed on the screen. It does, so we're going to hit pair. It's asking if we want to sync our contacts with the vehicle so that when the phone is in the car, it reads your contacts. We're going to allow that. And then if you do have an Apple iPhone, it will ask you if you would like Apple CarPlay set up with your phone or if you would like to just go through the BMW iDrive system. In this case, we're going to show you first how to connect it with iDrive and then we will go over Apple CarPlay. This message is asking if we want to set our phone up with Wi-Fi. We can just say yes. And then our phone is connected. Okay, so if we want to connect our phone with Apple CarPlay, once it's connected in here or during startup, just click on Apple CarPlay. In this sense, we're going to go down here to connection mode and we're going to click on Apple CarPlay instead. It's going to ask to confirm, so we're going to say confirm. And then pay attention to your phone and you might have to accept a pop-up like this where you say use CarPlay. And then after a couple of seconds, it should pop up with your CarPlay screen just like that. If you get this pop-up here that says check for CarPlay apps, all that's asking is if when you connect your phone to the car, if there's a new app that you've downloaded that can be used with CarPlay, it will automatically connect once you get in the car. A lot of people who connect their phones with Apple CarPlay have wondered why when next to the car it says not connected with Bluetooth. The reason it says not connected is because with the Apple CarPlay connection, it actually goes over our Wi-Fi. So it's not going to say it's connected with Bluetooth, even though clearly the phone is connected and Apple CarPlay is working fine. So don't be alarmed when you see it says not connected. That just means that you're going through CarPlay. I also get a lot of questions on how you can delete an old device, whether you're turning in a car, getting a new phone, or for any other reason need to delete the phone out of the system. Sometimes you need to do this if the Bluetooth connection is not working properly. So if we go to our communication tab, we're going to go to mobile devices. So we're going to select the phone that we want to delete and just click on delete device. And then it will be gone.